What's up, people on the internet? Welcome back to Tosin Yusuf. So, I'm Tosin Yusuf. So, I'm gonna be doing every 2 weeks, almost every 2 weeks, I'll be doing reviews on tech products. So, I'm gonna give you my opinion on what I think, how good it is. So, just subscribe, like, and for first thing, let's go to the unboxing. We're leaving to sit the unboxing. So I've showed you the unboxing. So now the next thing is the design. Yes, the design has some good and bad things, which not necessarily bad thing, but it's kind of different. How that is. So, okay, I'm bringing it out. So this is it. This is the overly shaped something, or what, or I don't even know what to call it. The circle oval shape, but I don't even know. So it has a good build quality. So this is the Type-C interface here. So that means that you can plug in your Type-C charger. Come the Type-C charger. So you can plug your Type-C charger inside it. So this can charge it with 10 watts. 10 watts is okay to charge this boy full less than 2 hours. Okay. So sound, the case side is flexible, magnetic, flexible. Okay, so this, I'm taking out one of the earbuds now. So when you turn it on, when you remove it from the earbud, it brings out red and green light. Yes, it brings out a flashing red and green light, and that's how you know that it's in pairing mode. So when it brings out a flashing red and green light, you should know that it's in pairing mode. Okay, so it is truly half in. You can see the design here. It has like a half in. It's not fully circular, but like half, like a semicircle, basically, like a semicircle. So this is the microphone input here. So this is the touch control center at this back here. So touch control center. So put inside your ear is very like it fits perfectly inside your ear, like perfectly. You don't need to worry about it falling off. No, you don't need to worry about it falling off. It fits perfectly inside your ear. So that's one thing you should know. And if you're worried also about it getting wet or it's getting spoiled by water or dirt or dust, you don't need to worry. This is fully equipped with IPX5 rating, so it's fully, let's say fully, just like dust resistance and a little bit of drop of sweat or water splash, basically splash. So you can resist splash. So if you're working in the gym, and you can take this to the gym and still be listening to your music, so you don't need to worry about the sweat entering the internal components. You don't need to worry about that. So secondly, next thing to talk about is the light. So once you put it back inside the case, it shows a green light. Yes, it shows a green light. So that means that it's charging the earbuds. So once the green light is off, once the green light goes off, that means you should know that your earbuds are fully charged. You can use them anytime. So it really fits well. I say it fits very well. But the sad thing is that it isn't doesn't have ANC. It doesn't have ANC, which is like active noise cancellation. So it doesn't have that. So all the surrounding noise can still get inside your ear. But it does the bass of the, like, especially if you listen to music that has a lot of bass, it's gonna sound pretty very well, pretty very good. So it comes with the user manual, so you don't need to get all the details or anything you don't understand. It comes inside this user manual right here. So the pretty understandable user manual, so you can see, and really good. Down in the comments, so whatever you think I didn't mention in the video, or what your opinions are. And definitely you can get this and the price of 20 to like 30,000 naira. Yes, in Nigeria, so you can get this like 20 to 30,000 naira in Nigeria. Yes, with everything, like all the features, everything. So it's pretty cool. Right, thank you for watching. Yes, this is the first time I'm doing a review. Please like, subscribe, and put down your comments. I'll put the link to buy this product. I'll put the link down in the comment below. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.